Genesis, a grade 6 student, and today's experiment we will talk about change of properties materials when mixed with other materials, liquid to liquid. What liquid materials didn't mix completely? What happens to liquid materials when mixed with other liquid materials? Experiment time! What liquid materials mix completely? Soy sauce and vinegar. What liquid materials didn't mix completely? Vinegar and cooking oil. What happens to liquid materials when mixed with other liquid materials? There are some liquid materials that completely mix together, while there are some liquid materials that did not mix with one another, but instead formed layers. Some liquid materials completely mix with other liquid materials, forming homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is the resulting mixture which looks the same throughout. Some liquid materials cannot be completely mixed with other liquid materials, forming heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is a combination of two or more materials wherein we can still identify or distinguish the materials what we have mixed. That is my science experiment of solute and solvent. Thank you for watching!